Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the dark mode on the CMap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the layer icon under the search icon at the upper right corner of the screen and just scroll down, and in the display and interaction section you can find in the colors option and just select the dark, and it's done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.